Here of server-side template injection using the documentation. So it says that the lab is vulnerable to server-side template injection, and we need to solve it using documentation and how to execute arbitrary code and to delete the morale text file from Carter's home directory. And this gives us credentials to log in. So need to make sure proxy's on. Okay. So we just need to log into our account. So it was content manager. Okay. Not that. This is from a different lab, I'm pretty sure. That. Okay. Why didn't that copy? That's weird. Okay. And then just copy the password. Don't save. Okay. So your account here. Edit template. Okay. So we got product price. So if we change this to 7, well, not that, 7, preview. So we have execution here, but we need to get an error. So we probably need to add another case of, and we can delete the rest of this because we don't need it. Don't need this. Might actually need it, Actually, we probably did needed that. I have to go back. Not too sure. I had to break out of this. We're not broke out of it. Trying to get it to display an error. So I know that works, but I'm trying to get an error to pop on it. Maybe get rid of a bracket, maybe? too sure where we go from here. I'm trying to think where. Maybe you need to add more. Maybe brackets, maybe. No. That is weird. I don't remember. I'd done this lab before. I just don't remember what. So if we maybe do something like, because I know usually this will present an error. Yeah. So you see, we know it's free mark now, and see it's printing out these values here. We get a stack trace. So if you use now, we know that this does that. If we put in this payload, which I configured based on the documentation for FreeMark, if we add this in here, it will execute. Yeah. So if we add this, so if we add this into this field here, we should be able to get this. But before, I want to test to see if it works first. We'll put ID. Yeah, so we know we got access because of this right here, because we had an ID. And that usually means that you got access and full injection. So we should be able to add back in this here, and we should get a pass in this lab. Yep, we do. In that case, what happened was after we leaked it through the $sign foobar, it gave us a stack trace, and we know that it's using FreeMark template. And I searched through the documentation on my phone, and we was able to find that this payload here, the assign X FreeMark template and utility, and puts a new here and points to $sign execute remove this location or whatever. As long as you put anything in this value, will execute as like system, and will display, as we saw, it displayed the ID of Carlos user, the get user group ID of it. But yeah, that'll be it for this lab. And for the next, yeah, in the next one we should be doing, I forget which one exactly. Should be this one right here. Server-side template injection and unknown language with a documented export. So, yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one.